good afternoon class 4. Welcome back to our video classes. Okay student? So, how are you all? Fine? Great. So student, in the live class or in the last video class, we have started chapter number 7. Okay? Chapter number 7, the world of animals. The world of animals. Okay? We have started the chapter and the jump start which is given in the page number 57. We have completed adaptation in animals, the introductory part we have completed in the live classes and in the video classes both. And in the last video class I have told you that I will explain in the live classes the aquatic animal, arboreal animal, aerial animals and amphibians. These 4 types of animals which lives on land. Okay? Different types of animals. I have already explained these things in the live classes. So, in today's class, our new topic is terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. Okay? So, student, all of you open your science book, page number 58. Okay? We are going to discuss terrestrial animals in detail. Okay, everyone? So, student, page number 58, topic terrestrial animals. Okay? So first I will read, then I will explain. So all of you put your finger where I am reading. As you know, animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. That everyone knows that there are animals which lives on land. Okay? The animals which lives on land, they are said to be as terrestrial animals, like the animals which you look: cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, dog, lion, tiger. There are several types of animals are there which lives on the land. That type of animals are said to be as terrestrial animals. Okay, everyone? Now, these animals have features that are suitable for leading a life on land. So, how they are able to live on the land? They have a suitable features. उनकी body में एक ऐसा suitable features है. They have that type of suitable features in their body which enables them to survive on the land. ठीक है? Land पे उनको रहने के लिए, अपनी ज़िंदगी बिताने के लिए, they have that type of body structure. They have that type of adaptation that they can easily survive on the land. Okay? They will easily live on the land. Now, they have strong limbs to walk long distance in search of food. So, in the live classes I have explained what is the meaning of limbs. This is the upper limb and our legs are said to be as lower limbs. So, they have 4 limbs by which they can walk on the land. वो 4 पैर पे चलते हैं animals. Okay? We the human beings walk with the 2 legs. Our hand and our legs are said to be as limbs. So, they have 4 limbs and their limbs are so strong which make them unable to walk on the land for a long distance in the search of food. अपने खाने की खोज के लिए they can walk up to long distance in the search of food. Why? Because they have strong limbs. Okay, they have strong limbs which makes them unable to walk on the land. Okay, everyone? ठीक है? So students, they have long limbs by which they can walk on the land for several miles in the search of their food. Okay? Now, and they have well developed sense organ. Sorry. They breathe through their lungs. They have lungs like you. Sorry. Like we the human beings have lungs. Okay? We have lungs. Same as animals also have lungs. And they have well developed sense organ. जैसे हमको कोई यहाँ पे टच करता है, mosquito bites, हमको तुरंत पता चल जाता है that mosquitoes bite us. यहाँ पे टच, hand के पास, palm में. Okay? We see anything, we can sense it कि वो क्या है. Smell आती है तो हम तुरंत sense कर लेते हैं. Like that, animals also have sense organ. Okay? They have also sense organ by which they can sense anything. उनको कोई danger है, उनको कोई harm पहुँचा रहा है, that weather is changing, whatever it is, they can sense it. They have also well developed sense organ like we the human beings have. Okay? So these are the characteristics of terrestrial animals, the animals which lives on the land. Okay. Now, terrestrial animals has been categorized into different forms. Okay, they were categorized, मतलब उनकी category है. Although they are terrestrial animals, they are living in the land, but they are living in the several parts of the land, like mountain, polar, grassland, forest, desert. There are different types of terrestrial animals, and they were categorized into different parts. So one by one we will discuss all these categories of terrestrial animals in detail. So here in the board, look at the board everyone. I have drawn the structure which is given in exactly in your book, the terrestrial animals which were categorized into 5 different forms. First one is the desert animals. Okay. Second one is the mountain animals. Third one polar region. Fourth forest animals, and fifth one is the grassland animals. ठीक है, in this sequence only in your book the diagram, the structure is given, the flow chart is given in your book, as you can see clearly in the board. The desert animals, mountain animals, polar animals, forest animals, and grassland animals. Okay everyone. So now one by one we are going to discuss all these animals in detail. So first we are going to discuss about the desert animals. ठीक है, हम लोग इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे desert animal. So everyone take out your book, open page number 58, that will be going continue desert animals. ठीक है. Now first I will read, then I will explain. So everyone look at your book carefully. सब अपने बुक को बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखो. Desert animals. So before starting desert animals, there one topic is given that depending on the condition in which they live. ठीक है, ऐसे कंडीशन पे हम लोग उसको पढ़ेंगे जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं. Depending on the condition where they live, on which conditions they were living, the animals were living. Next, terrestrial animals have developed certain special features that help them to adapt to their respective environment. So terrestrial animals have, you can say, developed a special type of features in their own. ठीक है, वो अपने आप में ही एक स्पेशल टाइप के फीचर्स उन्होंने डेवलप कर लिया है, that they were able to survive in the different region of terrestrial, in the different region of the land. Different region means like mountains, desert, forest, grassland, स्नो, पोलर रीजन जहाँ पे 2400 घंटे मतलब पूरे 12 मंथ्स से बर्फ गिरती है, बर्फ रहता है, बर्फीला, जैसे अंटार्कटिका, आर्टिका ओशन हो गया, हिमालयन रीजन्स हो गए, वहाँ पे 24 आवर्स पूरी बर्फ रहती है पूरे 12 मंथ्स. तो एनिमल्स हैव अडेप्टेड, वो ऐसे अपना लिए उस जगह को, दे हैव मेड चेंजेस, दे हैव डेवलप्ड देयर बॉडी इन दैट वे दे कैन अडेप्ट सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स of the terrestrial, of the region where they were living. Okay everyone. Now so let us learn about some of these special adaptive features in detail. अब ये जो special adaptive features है like in mountain, desert, अब हम लोग इसको डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. So first we are going to discuss about the desert animals. Okay, about the desert animals. So desert are hot and dry regions. Animals such as lizards, chameleons and camels live in desert. As we all know that deserts are dry and very hot region where there were several types of animals were live like chameleon, lizards and camels. They are the main animals which lives on the desert. To survive in the hot and dry climate, these animals have developed certain special physical features. अब उस गर्म, hot and dry climate में रहने के लिए they have to survive there. They have adapted several types of different features in their body structure कि उस hot और dry climate में they can survive easily. So they have adapted so many special kind of features. अपना लिए हैं. Adapted का मतलब होता है अपनाना. They have adapted so many special kind of features to live on the land. कि हम वो डेजर्ट में रह सके, इजीली सर्वाइव कर सके. So let's see what are the special kind of features they have adapted to survive on the land. First one, for example, it is given camels have विजिटेड राजस्थान दे नो वेरी वेल कि वहाँ पे पूरा सैंड होता है. ओके, सो what desert animals like camel, how he is adapted, they were adapted themselves to survive on the land. कैसे कैसे करके रखें कि वो डेजर्ट पे सर्वाइव कर सकें. Their skins, हमारी स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है कि आपको तुरंत पसीना आ जाता है ना, वाटर लॉस हो रहा है हमारी बॉडी से. बट camels which are living in the desert, they have very hard skin. उनका स्किन जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड है कि स्वेट ना हो, वाटर लॉस से बचें. फर्स्ट थिंग, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पानी कम मिलता है, ड्राई रीजन है, तो जितना ज़्यादा वाटर लॉस होगा उतनी ज़्यादा पानी की नीड होगी एनिमल्स को. बट दे हैव अडेप्टेड, वो चेंज कर लिए, अपने आप को पूरा डेवलप कर लिए. कैसे? उनका स्किन कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया है. दे हैव वेरी थिक स्किन टू प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम वाटर लॉस. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड, दे हैव लॉन्ग आई लैशेस. ये जो हमारी पलक है ना, आई लैशेस को बोलते हैं, उनका जो आई लैश वो बहुत लंबा होता है. दे हैव वेरी लॉन्ग आई लैशेस, जो फिर जब हवा चलती होगी वहाँ पे रेत उड़ता होगा द सैंड, सो वो उनकी आंखों में जाने से वो आईलैश बचाता है. ठीक है. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ adaptation we have seen in the camel to survive on the desert. Okay, now they can also close their nostrils during sandstorms to prevent sand from entering their nose. Sandstorm मतलब जब आंधी आती है, सैंड की जब आंधी आती है, जब सैंड उड़ता है, जब स्टॉर्म्स आते हैं, बहुत आंधी तूफान आता है, तो जब बालू जो मिट्टी है वो उड़ती है, तो उनकी जो नॉस्ट्रल्स होते हैं उसको वो बंद भी कर सकते हैं. दे हैव अडेप्टेड दैट टाइप ऑफ फीचर. हम कैसे नाक बंद करना तो अपने हाथों से करेंगे, ऐसे करके, है ना, अपने हल्के से करेंगे. बट दे कैन क्लोज देयर नोज, कि जब सैंड स्टॉर्म आए, आंधी आए, तो जो धूल है वो उड़ के उनकी नाक में ना जाए. दे वेर नॉट एंटर टू देयर नॉस्ट्रल्स. Okay, to prevent, they close their nostrils, they close their nose to prevent themselves from the sand entering to their nostrils. Okay, third adaptation we have seen in the camel to survive in the desert. Next, they have ability to survive without water for many days, and they have also a ability that they can survive for very long time in the desert without water. वो ऐसा अपने आप को बना लेते हैं. Okay, they have that type of ability that they can survive on the land. ठीक है, for so many days without water. They can store fat in their hump, which helps them live without food for a long time. अब hump क्या होता है? What is the hump? This upper area of the camel. In your book it is given clearly. This upper area of camel, this is said to be as hump. जैसे उठा हुआ एरिया होता है. जैसे केमल है, मान लो उसका पीठ है, थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ एरिया रहता है. दिस टाइप ऑफ फीचर इन देयर बॉडी, दिस इज सेड टू बी एज हम्प. उसमें वो क्या करते हैं? दे स्टोर फैट दैट इन द हम्प, दे स्टोर फैट दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो सर्वाइव विदाउट फूड फॉर सो मेनी डेज. जब उनको खाने की ज़रूरत पड़े, सो दे कैन टेक द फैट फ्रॉम देयर एंड गेन एनर्जी टू परफॉर्म देयर वर्क. ओके, दे गेन एनर्जी विच इज स्टोर्ड इन द हम्प. As you can see the structure ऐसा करके रहता है. कैमल का स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ रहता है. तो इस हम्प में वो क्या करते हैं? फैट को स्टोर करके रखते हैं फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. दे कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट फूड ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ so here you can see there are different types of adaptation we have seen in the desert animals. Camel. Now camel have long legs that help to keep their bodies away from the hot sandy ground. They have padded feet help them to walk comfortably on the land, and joint toes which do not sink into the sand. अब देखो उनके जो फीट होते हैं, as you can see the camel, उनके जो फीट होते हैं वो बहुत लंबे होते हैं कि वो जो गर्म रेत है, जो सैंड है, जो गर्म है, बहुत ज़्यादा हॉट ड्राई सैंड, उससे वो उनके हॉटनेस से प्रिवेंट करके रख सके उनकी बॉडी को. दैट्स वाई देयर फीट आर सो लॉन्ग. फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, दे हैव पेडेड फीट, मतलब गद्दे वाली फीट होती है उनकी. पेडेड, ऊपर से नीचे से लेकिन थोड़ा हार्ड रहेगा. ठीक है, ऊपर से नॉर्मल रहेगा लेकिन नीचे जो उसका पोर्शन होगा, ये वाला जो हमारे नीचे का पोर्शन है पैर की, वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड रहेगा कि वो ईजिली वॉक कर सके सैंड में. गद्देदार रहेगा तो वो तुरंत अंदर चले जाएंगे. थोड़ा सा हार्ड रहता है, पेडेड रहता है, दैट्स दे कैन ईजिली वॉक ऑन द लैंड. और उनके जो टोज होते हैं, दे वेयर जॉइंट. उनके जो टोज होते हैं, दे वेयर जॉइंट, so they can easily walk on the desert. Okay, there are several types of features we have seen on the camel, so they can easily survive on the desert area. First, what is it? Their skin is so thick to prevent water loss. Second, they have long eyelashes by which it prevents to enter the sand into their eyes. They close their nostrils to enter the sand into their nostrils. They can close their nose. Second, third हो गया. Fourth, they can store fat in their hump and they can survive without food and water for so many days. They have that type of adaptation. They have long feet which protects them from the hot sand, their body, and they have padded feet also, by which they can easily walk on the sand, and at last their toes were joined by which they can easily walk on the desert. So here we have seen several types of adaptation in camel which makes them able to survive on the desert. Okay everyone? So desert animal has been cleared. It is completed. Okay? So in the next class, in the next video class, we will discuss the mountain animals and the polar animals. Okay everyone? So for today's class, that much for today's class. We will discuss the mountain animals and polar animals in the next class. So students, please see the video, and after the completion of video, read the chapter. Every time I told you, read the chapter. Okay everyone? So have a nice day all of you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much student.